Greg Staves was 45 and dying from cancer when he decided to embark upon a journey. A life-defining trip that was 22,000 miles long, riding the length of the Americas from the Arctic Circle to the Antarctic, on his own on a 500cc Royal Enfield Bullet. On the summer solstice, Greg collected water from the Arctic Circle. He had exactly 6 months till the southern summer solstice to complete his trip. The roads were dirt, the wind sharp, the prospect daunting. But places usually found on postcards were suddenly real, where nature's beauty blinded you, where the road blazed through red sand circling around towering spires, where every picture was worth 100,000 words. Strangers became friends along the way. One gave him the nickname that's now legend, Iron Ass. Greg Iron Ass Staves. As he battled his way towards South America, both man and machine were pushed to their limits. Twice, torrential rains threw him off his bike. Battery failure in the high Andes killed his headlight. In the darkness, Greg drove straight off a hairpin turn. He survived. Loose gravel forced him off the steep road more than once. And at a civil riot in Santiago, Greg was caught amidst tear gas and water cannons. Patagonian roads were nothing but dirt and dust and skin-peeling winds. The only way Greg could protect his nose was duct tape. But for every adversity, there was breathtaking beauty to match. Greg's Royal Enfield 500 Bullet parted seas of llama across the Altiplano. The Atacama Desert, in his own words, was like riding through a stretch of Mars on Earth. 22,000 miles later, Greg reached the world's southernmost city. With his goal in sight, Greg jumped ship from his Royal Enfield with just the front wheel, and finally reached Antarctica. Exactly 6 months from the day he started, Greg collected water from the Antarctic Circle. That was it. The quest was fulfilled.